And sitting on the ground.
It was at the body shop.
Oh.
Body shop they cross-threaded the line and everything.
Oh, RH is right hand.
Yeah.
And the bleeder screw on this side is down.
It's down at the bottom.
And it should be up.
At the top.
What about that side?
That side's right.
So in order to do this, you had to have the calipers on the ground.
Right.
Now they will fit in both up to either side.
Right.
So you couldn't bleed it? What happened?
No, I was getting ready to bleed it.
And you got ready to open it and notice at the bottom.
I was getting ready to bleed it just to let it gravity bleed itself out.
Uh-huh.
And
damn, you good. I'm telling you.
I look at the thing, the fitting. I was like, what is shit at the bottom?
Yeah, yeah, that go up top.
It goes on top, and then I double check on the other side, and it was like, oh.
Once you get burnt, you never get burnt again. That's what happened to me.
And then I noticed this is a right hand.
The other side said left hand.
No, that's the right hand.
No. Yeah, this right. This bleeder screw up.
Yeah.
So, oh, they got the wrong side, huh?
You got the wrong caliper on there.
Oh, they went and bought a new caliper and put it on.
The customer got into an accident and went to the body shop. And body shop did all this.
Holy crap. Yeah, this side is right. This bleeder screw up.
Yeah, it's the wrong one. And I just noticed it.
Oh my God, this would have, dude, if I hadn't got burnt that time, this probably would have snuck by me again. You got to be thinking about something like this in order for it to click. Like, it would have clicked on you if you got ready to bleed and find out it wouldn't bleed right. You still had an air pocket. Because that's what was driving me crazy with that.
I noticed it's like this line here too. It's like, it doesn't look right.
It's bent.
How it's
yeah, it's all bent and curvy.
Yeah.
Huh?
I said Chan, I didn't say damn thing about JJ.
Oh, well, you looking at me. Look at Chan. You talking to
I
Chan.
can't help because I got a slant eye. What's wrong with you? Fuck you.
This is the wrong one.
It's the wrong caliper.
So what you got to do now? Tell them
Tell them they're going to have to get it right caliper.
a left side caliper. Man.
On that G, they're on that stop and stop.
Hi guys, y'all hear that?
Yeah. It's good to go. Yeah.
All it takes is one time to get burnt.
That was just one. Yeah, it's good to go. I took it down the street. I got about 2 miles down the road, and then this one is ready. Is it ready? And then sometimes, once you stop, it cut off.
Yeah, that means it's everything, it passed the initiation.
Yeah, it set back. It reset itself. Yeah. So the battery bank, but I think it's going to.
Oh boy. Yeah, you got that stuff. Got to be on your mind. Like my brain is everywhere, so it's hard for me to tell you if that would have got by me. But I don't know. My man caught it. Good for him, cause that drove me cuckoo, guys. All right. He over here doing a real evaporator core. Hey, there go the evaporator. See those doors operated by an actuator? Oh, really? Damn, never just. Oh, this shit.
Kill myself.
The hell?
And here's the rest. There's the leak.
Oh man.
It's a fucking rust bucket, man.
Rust bucket.
I'm telling you.
He said, doing good, have a doctor's appointment in the morning, going to see if they'll release me to come back to work maybe Monday.
Here's that, Nick.
It's still open. Cause it's you in the vicinity. You gotta go way away. Tesla guys. Trying to charge it up. Light still green. Slow pace. Look at that. 18 hours remaining. So far, it's been on a day. So I guess we'll leave it on. That's because we plugged into a wall. Now if you had the typical Tesla charging unit station, probably be a lot quicker. Hey, it went down. Alright. Yeah, door handle is gonna come open when the key is near. Here comes the key now. Come on, man. So that's for theft purposes? You can't steal it?
Well, so they're recessed for aerodynamics, so it gets better guidance.
Aerodynamic, wow. With that sticking out, that slows you down.
No, but when the car's running, it's like that.
Oh. Oh, guys, I'm no fan. I'm no fan of, no, I'm no fan. Okay, electric car, EV. No. But we have no choice. Somebody traded this in too, guys. See, ain't no plates on it. So that means, I wonder, did they get a gas engine? Trade this in and get something. Is this 2 sunroofs? What is going on here? All right, well, all you EV pros at it, because I am definitely not one. Okay. Still a car, guys, just not a gasoline combustion vehicle, which makes for a little spooky to me. I mean, still your typical car stuff. I wonder if the hood up. Hood closed. I don't know if you should. I don't want to mess with it because it's charging. I don't want to get electrocuted. So in about 18 hours, we'll come back and follow up on this Telsa baby. Somebody traded in, trying to get it fully charged so we can proceed with the used car. You get it? Used car checklist. Now they got to make a whole new used car checklist for vehicles like this, I guess, huh? It's not your typical check this, check that, check fluids, check this. No. It's not like a hybrid. This is a, I don't know. Before I say something wrong, y'all know when I say something wrong, guys will grill me. All right, you can't even misspeak around here anymore. So I want to make sure I got my facts together before I talk. All right, now this used car here, I don't see. I've been in this bubble so long. I don't even know what this emblem represents. You know, but you pros out there, y'all know what in the world. I had to go to the rear and look at the name. Ladies and gentlemen, this might be a customer car. It's got tags on it. So I'm gonna leave that one alone, guys. All right, y'all stay tuned, man. I'll bring y'all some more. Stay tuned.